What is going on, everybody in the trader community? This is Trader Josh, also known as your favorite person. Also, always remember God loves you, okay? Even though I'm the favorite, you know what I'm saying? He might love me more, but he loves you too, okay? But I want to say something about VS stock, and to let you guys know, this video is going to be on VS. I won't be able to do much on the charts because I want to see it move up a little more before I can really give you guys a good technical analysis on this. So maybe on Monday I will give you guys a better update on this, but I do want to point out a couple of things. First one being NASDAQ compliance is the first thing I want to talk about. And okay, so to regain compliance with the rule, the company's common shares remember that keyword, they were required to maintain a minimum closing bid price of $1 or more for at least 10 consecutive business days. What does it say right here? This requirement was met on November 22nd, 2022. Okay? And I want to kind of show you guys what was posted yesterday and why is Versus System stock up 260% today. Versus VS stock is skyrocketing today on important news that the company has announced a partnership with Resolve Debt. Together, the two innovators will bring artificial intelligence, also known as AI, to the payment industry. Okay? For innovating, engaging, now its plans on taking on its mission step further by joining the AI race. And VS stock is skyrocketing. Okay, now let's look at why is VS down 33% on 2.2 million direct offering. Okay, so as you all know that Versus Systems entered the definitive agreements with institutional investors, and I want to tell you guys, I just made a video on EBET. Same day, same everything. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple hundred into this one. I'll do that toward the end of the video. But the closing of the offering is expected to occur on or about February 6, 2023. The company, hold on, wait, another keyword. On or about February 20, 2023, okay? So the company had 8.1 million shares. Remember that word. It's a big word for this page to be posting about. Seeking Alpha. Had 8.1 million shares outstanding, with the increase in outstanding shares resulting from the cash exercise of outstanding warrants. The gross proceeds this offering are expected to be we already knew. The company intends to use the net process for working capital and generate corporate purposes. Okay, stock is down 33%. What I see when I see down 33%, I see a cheaper buy-in area for me, myself, and I. And I'm going to be buying. Let me just get a couple of things out the way. This is another February 6th date. Keep in mind. Check out that EBET if you're interested. Okay, the same thing. Both of these companies have entered an agreement with somebody. EBET entered an agreement for 6.3 million shares at $1.02, which we did the math in that video. That's a million. No, that's 6 million. You get what I'm saying, okay? But here, let's get into it. VS today announced that it has entered into definite agreements with institutional investors for the purchase and sale of 2.5 million of the company's common shares at a purchase price of 96 per common share in a registered direct offering priced at the market under NASDAQ rules. The closing of the offering is expected to occur on or about February 6, 2023, subject to the satisfaction of customary closing conditions. Immediately prior to the offer, the company had 8.1 common shares outstanding, with the increase in outstanding shares resulting from we already read that, okay? And the offering of common shares only means okay, so I guess I'm not going to go over all that, but February 6th, okay, let's mark that date. It could have a pop on the 6th. I'll tell you that right now. It could have a shoot on the 6th. Let me just go ahead before I read the charts. Go ahead and show you guys. I put 300 on the last video, so, and I ain't making money doing these videos, okay? So you guys need to understand, Big Money Gooch has always been Big Money Gooch, okay? So I don't do these videos for money, okay? I spend money in every video, to show you guys that I'm really like that, okay? I'm really like that. Don't get confused. But first, I'm going to have to transfer $250 to my Robinhood account. Transfer money, $250. It's not 50, $250. Boom. From bank account to Robinhood. Bam, bam. And we are looking at VS. Okay, so let's go to VS, and I'm going to show you guys. VS. And I want you guys to know, I hear a lot of people talking about, oh, I like to go the safe route. I like to look at it the safe way. Well, let me tell you something. Do you see me right now being safe? Or what would you call what I am doing? What would you call what I am doing right now? Would it be called safe, or would it be called, I know that money is only paper, and if I don't put it in here, I can go out to eat steak and shrimp right now and be miserable the rest of the week because I spend it on steak and shrimp. But if I put it in here, I could look at that right there and say, whoo, look at that money going up, baby. Look at that money going up. Look, 1109, okay? So I got about 1,200 in here currently right now. And as I've told a couple people in the Discord that we talk one-on-one, within the first few months, you might want to subscribe. If you've made it this far, you definitely want to subscribe. And I'm going to tell you now that within the next few months, you will see me have anywhere from 5 to 10,000 in stocks, okay? And now is the time to get involved, because when I'm showing 10,000 in stocks, it's going to be too late for y'all. Y'all are going to be like, oh, how'd you get that? Well, you're watching right now, okay? Hit that subscribe button and join me, okay? And get that money with me. That's why I have a big money community. It's called the trader community, actually. And let's just get right into it. Stop wasting time. I have the $1. I have the $1 line right here, meaning that we are going to test resistance at $1. As you see, we have been testing since this morning, and we have been fighting it. Actually, now that I see that was this morning, we've been testing that. Yeah, we closed Wednesday, headed down toward it, but since this morning, we have been pushing sideways, trying to break above it. And you see that this EMA 13, I did it. It ain't RSI, it's EMA. EMA 13 line, which I marked green, and EMA 34 is red. When the EMA 13 line breaks above the EMA 34 line, which is red right here, we will be pushing upwards. And you see we have green candles right now. Okay, we're down in the red. I do not see us breaking. Oh shit, that's 50 cents. I hope we don't hit 50 cents. I just bought in at, let me see what my average is. I just bought in with an average of 95 cents. Golly. All right, but hey, I'm up 45 cents, baby. Just like in the last video, right when I bought, I was up 30 cents. I think I'm going to just start buying and taking out, because that's 70 cents up on the day. Up on the day, okay? But, all right, so like I said, we're going to test resistance, which we already have been all day. And once we turn it into support, it is going to be lovely at that $1 level. And once we can break above that $1 level, then we will see. Then I'll be able to give you guys, like I told you, I'll be able to give you guys a better technical analysis on this chart. and we'll see what levels it has been fighting above $1. But right now, all I see is the $1.85 level. Okay, so we're gonna test resistance there, and honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'll probably, depending on how the charts look, and in my update video, I will tell you guys all that information, all that good stuff. But I'm going to show you right here what would make me sell at this 185. Okay, so if we push up and we're moving and we keep breaking down and testing the level, I'm going to sell. Okay, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm going to sell right there. Be happy with my profits, okay? Because all profits are good profits, okay? Whether it's $10 or more, okay? You got to understand profits are profits, okay? You'd rather take profits than lose them. Now, if I see us doing something like this and we break above it, anytime break above it and bounce off of it, I will hold for a while. I'll probably hold to see maybe to see if we'll hit around $2 to sell at $2. But if I see this moving under it, like we can't break above it, I'm just gonna sell right there. I'm gonna sell, be happy, and I'm most likely I won't look back. Okay. And like I said, I'm short term on this. If you want to see long term stocks, I have those too. I put 500 in Lucid last week, and that's what I'm going to hold long term. I don't care. I'm down about 100 on it, but it's long term. So a year from now, it could be up 100,000. Who cares? Okay. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want to take too much of your guys' time. Let me know what you think in the comments. Look in the bio for the Discord link. Join the Discord. Let's stay connected with each other. And let's make this money together, most importantly. But with that being said, guys, I love you all. And until then, I will see you guys when I see you guys in the next video. Okay? All right.